Hey guys, it's Sarah from Ensign Insights. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple color theme for any watercolor project. You can use any watercolors for this. I am using the liquefieds from Paint and Letters, which is now the Nostalgia Collective. I will link to that below. I love these watercolors because they are so bright. And so you'll need to choose two colors. I chose the Bahama Breeze and Lemonade. And first you'll drop a single drop of each one just to get the comparison of where it came from. And then you'll start by dropping one of each together and mixing it. And then you can see my list here. I wrote down how many drops of blue versus how many drops of yellow I would be adding. So I'm just adding one more drop of blue, swatching it, adding another drop of blue, swatching it. And this way I will know what color I like the best, and I'll be able to recreate it later in any watercolor project. And also it's pretty satisfying just to see all of these colors lined up as they are. It's pretty fun. This could probably be its own art piece if it didn't have my ratios on the side. This is a great way to know what colors go well together because you're mixing them all from the same color. So it's a really nice way to plan out your next watercolor project. So now you can see I have started with the yellow and I'm going the other way, adding more drops of yellow. This really is so satisfying, so I'll probably be doing this with every color combination. If you have an idea of colors that you want to see, just leave me a comment below. And there it is. So now I'm going to show you a few different project ideas that I came up with. So this first one, I am just swatching. I chose 5 colors from my palette that I created, and I am going to letter a word, blending those 5 colors, and they look really, really nice together because they are all from the same colors. And this next project I'm doing comes from my stencils series over on Instagram. Basically, I wanted to use my animal stencils, and I make the background with different blends of watercolors to see how the different colors go together. So these ones I'm using the same 5 colors that I used in my last lettered piece. And you can see how they blend really nicely because they all come from the same colors. So this is a great way to choose your colors because you have a whole list of colors to choose from, and then you know that they all look great together. And then here I'm just finishing it up. So like I said, if you have any ideas of what you want to see next, leave me a comment below, and thank you for watching.